apple, apple. I love apples. Banana, banana. I bought 5 bananas last week. Orange, orange. She will drink orange juice tomorrow morning. Mango, mango. We didn't find any ripe mangoes in the market. Strawberry, strawberry. Strawberries are my favorite fruit to eat in summer. Grape, grape. He is eating a bunch of grapes right now. Watermelon, watermelon. They cut the watermelon into slices for the picnic. Pineapple, pineapple. I don't like pineapple on my pizza. Blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries were very expensive last year. Papaya, papaya. My friend will bring a papaya for dessert. Peach, peach. The peach I ate yesterday was very sweet. Pear, pear. She doesn't eat pears because she is allergic to them. Kiwi, kiwi. I don't like kiwi very much. Cherry, cherry. There are no cherries left in the fridge. Pomegranate, pomegranate. We will buy a pomegranate tree for our garden. Lemon, lemon. Lemons add a fresh taste to any dish. Lime, lime. He squeezed a lime to make lemonade. Grapefruit, grapefruit. I haven't tried grapefruit juice before. raspberry, raspberry. Raspberries are not in season right now. Blackberry, blackberry. My grandmother used to pick blackberries every summer. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. They will serve cantaloupe at the party tomorrow. Honeydew, honeydew. She hasn't eaten honeydew melon before. Avocado, avocado. Avocados are good for your health. Fig, fig. Figs were dried and stored for winter. Date, date. Dates are sweeter than many other fruits. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. We didn't enjoy the taste of the dragon fruit. Guava, guava. Guavas are grown in tropical regions. Lychee, lychee. I will bring lychees for you next week. Passion fruit, passion fruit. He didn't know how to eat a passion fruit. Star fruit, star fruit. Star fruit tastes a little sour, but I like it. Cranberry, cranberry. Cranberries are often used to make juice. Coconut, coconut. My brother will break the coconut for us. Apricot, apricot. The apricot tree in my yard didn't grow any fruit this year. Persimmon, persimmon. She bought 3 persimmons from the store yesterday. Mulberry, mulberry. Mulberries stain your fingers when you eat them. Custard apple, custard apple. Custard apples aren't very common in my country. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Jackfruit was used to make a delicious curry. Durian. Durian. Durian smells strange, but many people enjoy its taste. Rambutan. Rambutan. Rambutans are covered with a hairy shell. Plum. Plum. I will make plum jam for breakfast. Olive. Olive. Olives are often added to salads. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos.